Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Crimi-Trent. Today we're going to learn how to make these fun and fabulous 3D watercolor Christmas cards. So easy, simple, anyone can do this. So grab your paints, paper, scissors, pencil, and let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. I have just a scrap piece of my Arches 100% cotton watercolor paper, and you can use whatever scraps you have. And various types of greens. I have a lime, medium, and dark green, some reds. And we're going to paint some various types of leaves. I have shown a video before that, a couple of videos back. I'll highlight it here in this video, how to paint some greens, and we'll just do that. Just various types of leaves, just all over this page. Space them out however you like them. You can overlap them. Right now I'm just getting a feel for the paper and the color. I might go in and grab the dark green, which is Hooker's green. Go in here, like evergreens. Having them sporadically placed. I will probably put in a branch with some berries. Some red. So I'm going to speed up this process. I'm going to show you, but I'm going to speed up. But you get the idea. Just different various greens, some reds thrown in all over. So let's just speed this up. Okay, so once you have painted all the greens that you like, all different variations and colors, shapes, we're going to cut out a tree shape. If you have to draw it in the back. Just draw just a tree shape. It's just a triangle with the square box, or you can bring this triangle down further. And just cut out the shape. Voila. Now, so what you do now is you take these foam sticky things. Well, you can get these at a craft store in the United States. They have Michael's, AC Moore, all kinds of places. And the scrapbooking aisle usually has them. So these little foam sticky guys. And you place a few here, a few here. And you grab any kind of cardstock you want. It could be the same kind of paper, but I just grabbed a different kind of watercolor paper that's cheaper, that's just simple. And you place it right here. And see how that sticks out? It's like three-dimensional, like a Hallmark card. You could do a little star here and stick that out. Look how pretty that looks though. Very nice, isn't it? Now let's go on to the ornament one. Also, I did want to mention with the scraps that you get from the cutting out the tree, you could make another tree or a couple trees like that. Kind of cute. So you're getting 2 cards out of that one little design, which is really great. So for the ornament one, again, we have this little scrap paper. Let's make it a little more colorful. I might just do like red roses or flowers. I'm just going to do the simple rose. Just do these little dashed lines and grab the water. Touch it on the edges. I have many tutorial videos on how to do these kind of simple flowers. You move more concentrated right there, and you grab some water on your brush with the belly towards the tip. You just push down and just try and hit the edge of that. Again, grab the concentrated part of the watercolor. Just do a bunch of little dash lines. Clear off your brush, get some water on it. It's just hitting the edge and then doing lines behind it. Hitting that. You might want to wipe up some of the color and then just bleed that part out. So you get this nice fade on the rose. Same thing here. And I'll speed this up. And I'm going to add some leaves and then we'll dry it. Okay, once you finish the roses or whatever pattern you want to put on here, we're going to make a circle in this one. So I'm just going to use for a template back of my tape. Just put it right there. Take a pencil. Draw the circle. Grab my scissors. Cut out the circle. Actually, I think I'm going to leave a little edge on top for the ornament. See that little piece? Cut that. Don't cut that part off. I'm going to paint over that. Look how pretty that looks. You can paint this silver or gold or dark gray. I think I'm going to do some gold and see if it goes over it. It might not. A little shiny gold. Can you see that? Sparkly shiny. And also, you can also add some nice pretty gold, just like little dots. Let's blow this up. Take some gold. I have this gold metallic ink. Just add some touches in here. Give a little sparkle. You could put glitter on this. Whatever you feel you want to do. Just gives you an idea. Again, I'm going to grab these little sticky foam pieces. Just put one on the back here. And then put it on the cardstock. Let me go back down so you can see. Oops. Excuse me. So here we go. Place this right here. You can take a gold marker. I have a Sharpie. You can just do like it's hanging. Isn't that pretty? You could put some wording down here. And there you go. You have some beautiful three-dimensional Christmas cards that are nice and unique and pretty to give to friends and family. You can put wording on this. You can put gold on this. Like I said, you can make the star on this one. It's just fun to do. With the scraps on this, I don't know, you can play around, do something with them. I'm sure you can cut it out and do something. The lighting just went dark. I know. Terrible filmer that I am. All right, so here we go. Place this right here. You can take a gold marker. I have a Sharpie. You can just do like it's hanging. Isn't that pretty? You could put some wording down here. And there you go. You have some beautiful three-dimensional Christmas cards that are nice and unique and pretty to give to friends and family. You can put wording on this. You can put gold on this. Like I said, you can make the star on this one. It's just fun to do. With the scraps on this, I don't know, you can play around, do something with them. I'm sure you can cut it out and do something. So if you like this video, sorry, the lighting is just terrible right now. Please share, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching today. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks. On this, I made another ornament similar to the pink one we saw, but I put it on a watercolor paper that I bled the wash in the background before I placed it on there. So it just gives you another way of doing it. It's just pretty and simple and unique that people would really appreciate. So I'm glad you enjoyed watching this today. And if you like this, please share and subscribe. Thanks so much. Have a great day.